Hey, welcome back everyone. Cameron here. Today's video will consist of how to draw the torso using the bean method. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way possible. Feel free to pause the video at any point if I happen to go too fast. I hope this tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see additional videos on, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated, and now let's get to the video. Okay, so for the bean method, we want to begin by first drawing two circles, while also making sure that they're overlapping each other. Our top circle is going to represent the rib cage, and our bottom circle is going to represent the pelvis. Next, we want to determine where the crease line is going to be, as well as our center line. Now we want to see how both the rib cage and the pelvis are angled. And the way I did that here is basically I just did some reference lines to help me determine whether the torso is bending forward or backwards, as well as how they're angled from one another. From here we can start to make the cutouts of our torso by starting with the neckline and shoulders and then the breasts. And then from here we want to start defining a little bit more of the pelvis. And as you can see here, if you are able to get all the steps done correctly, everything starts to take shape as we go back to darkening some of our lines. And then everything kind of pretty much becomes a whole. Okay, so that was our female torso, and now we want to move on to doing the male torso. So again, you just want to start with 2 simple circles, and then draw your reference lines as well. For this particular view, I decided the ribcage was going to be bending towards us, so we want to make sure our middle reference line is wrapping upwards around the bottom of our ribcage. Then we wanted to find where our center line is going to be as well. Next, we wanted to find the neckline and the chest muscles. Lastly, we want to start connecting both the rib cage and the pelvis together, while also giving the pelvis a little bit more structure. And then moving on to our abdomen area, which you want to keep pretty light. And that is our video. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and take care.